Good night. I am Vernon Darby. The following is Bulletin 34, issued by the Meteorological Service of Jamaica, October 25, 2025, at 2300 hours Eastern Standard Time. A hurricane warning remains in effect for Jamaica as Melissa strengthens into a Category 3 hurricane. At 10 p.m., the center of Hurricane Melissa was located near latitude 16.4 degrees north, longitude 75.9 degrees west. This is about 170 kilometers south-southeast of Morant Point or 200 kilometers south-southeast of Kingston, Jamaica. Melissa is moving slowly toward the west near 6 kilometers per hour. A slow westward motion is expected tonight and through the weekend. A turn to the north and the northeast is forecast on Monday and Tuesday. Reports from Hurricane Hunter aircraft indicates that maximum sustained winds have increased to near 185 kilometers per hour, with higher gusts. Melissa is a Category 3 hurricane on the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale. Continued rapid intensification is forecast during the next day or so, followed by fluctuations in intensity. Melissa is expected to be a major hurricane when making landfall in Jamaica early next week. Hurricane force winds extend outward up to 35 kilometers from the center, and tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 260 kilometers. Hurricane Melissa is expected to produce rainfall amounts reaching 350 to 700 millimeters, that is 15 to 30 inches, with higher amounts in hilly terrain over parts of Jamaica in the next few days. Catastrophic flash floods and landslides are likely. On the forecast track, the center of Melissa is expected to move closer to Jamaica during the weekend and over the island on Tuesday. As the hurricane moves closer, expect tropical storm force winds to initially affect the island, mainly over eastern parishes on Sunday, with hurricane conditions expected by Monday. Life-threatening storm surge is likely along the south coast of Jamaica later in the weekend or early next week. Peak storm surge heights could reach 9 to 13 feet above ground level. Near and to the east of where the center of Melissa makes landfall. This storm surge will be accompanied by large and destructive waves. Small craft operators, including fishers on the quays and banks, are strongly advised to remain in safe harbor until all warning messages have been lifted and wind and sea conditions have returned to normal. The Meteorological Service continues to closely monitor the progress of Hurricane Melissa, and all interests are encouraged to pay special attention to further releases. The next bulletin on this system will be issued at 5 a.m. tomorrow. Please note, hurricane warning means that the following dangerous effects of a hurricane are expected to affect Jamaica within 36 hours or less. Dangerously high water, or a combination of dangerously high water and exceptionally high waves, even though winds expected may be less than hurricane force. Average winds 119 kilometers per hour or higher. That was Bulletin 34, issued by the Meteorological Service. I am Vernon Darby. Have a good night.